Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about different ways to make money online. Hey, what's going on guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and if you're new here, I just want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos, because I'm constantly uploading videos and discussing different methods to make money online. So with that being said, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So when it comes to making money, there are two different methods that you can use to start earning money online. The first method is through active income. So what that is, it's basically you're trading your time for money by providing a service for somebody that wants to have that service done for them. Then there's a passive way to make money online, which is putting the work in the beginning stages, then maintaining your method of making money on a regular basis to keep it going. So when it comes to passive income, it can take a while before you start actually earning money, but when you do, you can make a residual income. So what that means is that if you have your system set up right, you can even make money in your sleep. So now I want to talk about the first method on how to make money online, which is through freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. Now these two websites are going to be through an active income, meaning you're going to be trading your time for money. So with these two websites, basically you're offering a service to people who are willing to pay for that service. It can be anything such as graphic design, video editing, web developer, anything along those lines. So the way that these websites work is first you go and sign up, then you list the services that you're providing, and when people contact you for a service, you just simply do the service and you get paid. And if you don't know how to provide any services like graphic design, web developer, or video editing, then I recommend you guys just start learning by watching YouTube videos or learning by watching online courses, something like Skillshare. Because nowadays, it's easy to learn how to do anything because we live in the age of information. So that's one method you can use to make money online. So the next method is going to be through a website called TextBroker. Now this website is only available in the United States for right now. I don't know if it's going to be offered in other countries, but for now, if you're in the US, you can use this website to make money by simply writing articles. So the way it works is that you get paid per word depending on your writing skill. So in order to get started, first you have to go to textbroker.com. You click on the top right button that says I write content. Then there's going to be a button that says free author registration. Then what you're going to do is click on the button that says sign me up as an author. So when you first sign up with this website, you're going to submit a writing sample. And the reason for this is so you can be rated based on your writing skill. So if you have a 3-star rating, then you're going to be getting paid 1 cent per every word. But you can also improve your writing skills and get paid even more per word. So when it comes to writing articles, you're going to have a list of different articles that you can choose from. So any of these articles are articles that people want written for their business or whatever they're using the article for. So once you accept an article, I believe you have about a 48-hour deadline to complete it. Then once you do, that's when you get paid. So since I covered the active ways to make money online, I'm going to talk about the passive ways to make money online now. So a great way to make passive income is by selling photos. So if you're somebody who likes to take photos, you can make a commission every time somebody buys the rights to use your photo. The website that you can use to have people buy the rights for your photos is called Shutterstock. So when you go to this website, you just click on the button in the top right corner that says become a contributor, and then you sign up. And then once you do that, you can submit your photos, your footage, your illustrations, and even your own music. So whenever somebody buys the rights to use your content, that's when you start making royalties. So that's just something that I want you guys to think about. Another great way to make a passive income online is by selling online courses. So if you have knowledge on a certain topic or a particular skill that you think people would pay money to learn, this is a great method to make money by teaching people. So a website that is great for hosting online courses is called Teachable. So the way the process works is the same as the other ones. You go to the website, you sign up, you create your online courses, and then you upload them. So with this method, it's all gonna be video based. So the way most people have their online courses set up is that they have them split up into a video series where they go over teaching you how to do something step by step. And the great thing about this method is that you set the price for your online course. So the final method that I'm going to be talking about is through affiliate marketing. So with this method, you don't have to have your own products to make money. So what you're doing is simply referring other people to somebody else's product or course. And if they purchase that product or course that you're promoting, that's when you make a commission. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you first have to start off by picking a niche, which is a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. Because if you're just promoting random affiliate offers to everybody, you're not really going to make a lot of sales. So you have to pick a target so you know what you're aiming for. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you guys can check out the link in the description below for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book does is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote, and it also talks about the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. And if you're interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, you guys can check out the link in the top of the description. And if you stuck around to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys. And if you guys enjoyed it or learned something new, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.